On March 29th, Faraday Future had a live event to celebrate their official start of production. The production of the event was well done, but was underwhelming in information and reception. I caught the live stream on YouTube, and even though they have over 49,000 subscribers, the stream maxed out at about 300 people. I have added a link to the presentation in the description below if you'd like to watch the full 40-minute event, but I'll bring you the highlights here. I want to emphasize that this event was the start of production and not the start of deliveries. I had hoped that Faraday Future was going to bring out the first production-ready vehicle during the event, but what they presented was the first chassis or body in white. They have previously stated that they were making production intent vehicles at the factory for validation and testing, so I did not think this was an unreasonable expectation. They showed highlights of the factory floor located in Hanford, California. Faraday Future has named the manufacturing plant FF-IE Factory California. The IE stands for Intelligent Ecosystem, as connectivity is a core part of the brand identity that they are trying to create. The factory is 1.1 million square feet and is located between Silicon Valley and Los Angeles. They also showed how they had vehicle parts laid out prior to installation in the vehicles, but they did not show a fully built vehicle. They did talk about securing their supply chain for production and did tease a final launch event for the FF91 that will be hosted on April 26th. But I'm not sure that this will include the production of customer vehicles either. They have a separate event that is yet to be scheduled that they have said will be the start of deliveries. I expect this will be in the fourth quarter of 2023, if not 2024. Their president of vehicle engineering, Phil Bethel, did say that although the exterior of the vehicle looks much the same as it did 9 years ago, they have upgraded all the internals and manufacturing techniques and materials to meet and exceed the current state of the art. Not much else came out of the event. They had a few people speak on how they were proud of how far they have come and celebrated this milestone. Founder YT Jia and global CEO XF Chen put a special plaque on the vehicle on the lower B pillar, but they did not explain what was on it or its meaning. The vehicles will be sold directly through their website and a mix of company-owned and partner-owned showrooms and experience centers. The flagship Brand Experience Center opened in Beverly Hills. Sales will begin in Los Angeles and the San Francisco Bay Area. Then they expect to start sales in New York metro area before Shanghai and Beijing, China. They still have not announced final pricing for the ultimate intelligent tech luxury FF91 lineup, but I don't expect they will start sales at less than 150,000 and most likely above 200,000, as they claim that the FF will disrupt the traditional ultra-luxury car market, citing companies like Ferrari, Maybach, Rolls, and Bentley. They say their ideal buyer is an Ultra Spire user. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I think they mean a high net worth individual that values connectivity. Faraday Future says their vehicle will be the third internet living space after your home and phone. To facilitate this third internet living space, the FF91 will have 11 displays around the vehicle. They claim to have the first 17-inch front passenger screen and a huge 27-inch rear passenger display. The software will be powered by Android and will have access to third-party apps. This is something FF thinks will really distinguish their vehicle, as they expect to create a user mobility ecosystem, which I imagine they foresee as people creating apps exclusively for the FF91 and their other products. Part of their plan to make this vehicle profitable over time is by selling apps or access to their ecosystem. Faraday Future claims their seats are NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats with 60 degrees of recline and the most legroom in its class. I love the reclining seats that Lucid debuted for their top-tier vehicle, and these look similar. They also have a spa mode with ventilation, massage, and independent temperature control. At this time, they have announced 3 trim levels. The exclusive version, or the launch edition, is the FF91 Futurist Alliance. It would have cost you $5,000 to pre-order. However, all 300 have been reserved, but you can get on the waiting list if you reserve your FF91 Futurist in case anyone cancels their order. The FF91 Futurist Alliance will have a tri-motor setup that produces 1,050 horsepower. It also has a claimed 0 to 60 sprint of only 2.27 seconds. They have an EPA certified range of 381 miles, but did not give the battery size, so we don't know how efficient the vehicle is. From its shape, it should have a better efficiency than the Hummer, but will it be better than a Tesla Model X? We will have to wait and see. The Futurist Alliance will also be available in two colors, a satin silver and an exclusive satin black with a unique 22-inch wheel. The interior only comes in midnight black. They are currently taking pre-orders for the FF91 Futurist for $1,500. This will be their premium version of the vehicle. It will have the same specs as the FF91 Futurist Alliance, but has a different 22-inch wheel. They also claim it will be available in 8 colors, but only list 4 on the website at this time: ice white, lava red, onyx black, and steel gray. You'll also have 3 interior colors to choose from. Along with midnight black, you could also spec porcelain white or ruby red. The standard FF91 is not currently available for pre-order, and they do not have any specifications for this trim on their website. I suspect that they're trying to limit pre-orders, as they have admitted that production will be behind the current demand they have for the vehicles for some time. Hopefully, we'll learn more about the pricing and timing of the start of deliveries at their final launch event scheduled for April 26th of 2023. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, like and share to help our channel grow. And below you'll find links to our website, evolv-electric.org, our Twitter and Instagram